Wouldn't it be amazing if there was a place that offered a real alternative to fast fashion? A place where brands no longer had to overproduce overseas, only to see excess inventory end up in landfills or burned in incinerators? Now, what if that same place helped emerging designers and slow fashion brands make niche products that big fast fashion companies couldn't touch, filling gaps in the market with unique, ethical, and sustainable products? Imagine if that place didn't just stop at production, but also offered guidance and education on how to develop and manage apparel production. So small businesses didn't have to spend a fortune hiring an entire team to bring their ideas to life, or spend 4 years in school to learn how to navigate the complexities of apparel manufacturing. What if all that guidance was available in a digital roadmap so anyone could access it from anywhere at their own pace? And even better, what if it offered scholarships so that entrepreneurs who need it most could get this education for little to no cost? Wouldn't it be incredible if this place also utilized the latest technology like digital pattern making, 3D avatars for virtual sampling, on-demand manufacturing, and digital product passports for transparency? These tools could help small brands educate consumers about why their products are so special and so different from fast fashion. Now picture that place also being able to print custom artwork and designs on sustainable materials like bamboo, hemp, tencel, cactus leather, you name it. So brands could create engineered prints right into their patterns, giving them more product variations and helping them appear bigger and more diverse, even if they only have a few core garment styles. They could even fill orders as they come in using a batched on-demand model to avoid excess inventory altogether. And what if that place was more than just a production facility? What if it became the headquarters for a whole new fashion industry? A place where you could find sustainable, ethically made brands and all the resources they need to grow all in one spot. Now imagine if this place also had an events calendar. So there was one central location for all local fashion events, including its own events like Eco Fashion Week, where small brands could participate for free, saving their money for actual production costs rather than blowing it all on a runway show. And a monthly educational networking event called Behind the Scenes, where industry learns and connects regularly. Or even the ability to connect and collaborate virtually through an industry directory that is also available to the public, encouraging more sales and exposure. Wouldn't it be nice if this place also supported the growth of a domestic fashion workforce by offering industrial sewing certifications and apprenticeship programs to help rebuild a skilled labor force? Then imagine that place providing a platform for job postings, connecting skilled workers with businesses that need them. Now, what if that same place was forward-thinking enough to partner with major supply chain experts to reimagine a circular fashion model? A model where locally grown fibers are turned into locally made textiles used by local designers and manufactured in an on-demand way without creating waste. And what if at the end of the garment's life cycle, it could be broken down and recycled back into the system, creating a truly circular fashion industry? This model could build jobs, foster innovation, and create a network of digitally connected factories for maximum efficiency. Well, guess what? That place already exists. It's called Fabric, the Fashion and Business Resource Innovation Center. Since 2016, we worked hard to create a proof of concept, supporting thousands of entrepreneurs along the way. We even made 800,000 reusable medical gowns during the pandemic, which earned us a visit from the White House. Fabric isn't just an idea. It's a reality. We've already provided over $13 million in free and discounted programs and services, helping 2,000 apparel entrepreneurs make their products sustainably and ethically. We've done this without a massive investor or government grant, bootstrapping it all through hard work, passion, and determination. But we need help to keep this going. Fabric is now much bigger than just us, the co-founders. We have the equipment, a steady flow of entrepreneurs in need, and the programs in place. We're doing it. We sit on the footprint of the nation's most innovative and sustainable university. We are located in a state with healthy economic growth, a growing labor market, and a focus on manufacturing. And luckily, we've partnered with a city that has been able to provide us with a location in trade for providing free programs and services to the community so that we could pull this off in the first place. All of the pieces of the puzzle are there, but we need more financial support. We need a sponsor, a grant, or government funding to keep providing these services and to grow them even further. If you believe in what we're doing, we need you. Let's grow fabric together. Can you help? Reach out to us at info@fabricincubator.com.